Hi, I'm still Bob Rubart with the Oracle Technology Network, and my guest this afternoon is Frederic Desbiens. Frederic is a product manager in Oracle's Application Development Tools group, where he specializes in Oracle JDeveloper and Oracle ADF. Frederic is also the co-author of the Web Center 11G Handbook, Build Rich Customizable Enterprise 2.0 Applications, published in 2009 by Oracle Press. How are you doing, Frederic?
I'm great, and you, Bob?
I'm fine, thank you. You are one of about 200 experts who will present sessions at the Oracle Development Tools User Group's Kscope conference that's coming up on June 22nd through the 26th in Seattle. How many sessions are you presenting, and what will you be talking about?
So I've got 3 sessions for this edition of the conference. So the first one, it's on Monday, June 23, I think, is about ADF module pooling. So this is how to tune your ADF module pool in order to get a really scalable application when you deploy it on WebLogic server. So it's not for beginners, obviously, but it's not, for experts. Really, I want to give an introduction to what parameters you can tune on the pool and what effects they will have on the runtime behavior. My second presentation is on June 24, and it's called Is SOA Dead? The Future of Services. So in that presentation, I will discuss recent trends in service orientation in the general IT landscape, and more specifically, we'll talk about web APIs. They are all the rage right now. But it doesn't mean because they are popular that the SOA concepts we had before are obsolete. That's completely not the case. And my aim in this presentation is to demonstrate why and to explain at the same time how the various products in the Fusion middleware family of products, how they fit exactly in that new landscape. So we have things that cover APIs, and we have things that cover let's say, the legacy services that we could have. So I want to, put the various pieces of the puzzle into place in that session. And my last one is for ADF beginners. So it's called ADF, the why and the how. And it's just a few slides. Most of it is really a big demo. So what I'm trying to show to people less familiar with ADF is how productive the framework can be and what are the basic building blocks you are working with. So it's really, yes, a few slides to show what's the landscape, what's the architecture, but I'm really, playing the whole time in JDeveloper, showing how exactly you accomplish basic programming tasks and how productive you can be in JDeveloper and ADF in order to do those tasks.
What's the most important point you want to get across over these 3 different sessions that you've just described? What's the one point that you want people to walk away with?
I think the central point of all that is that when you choose ADF as a development framework, you have something that you are using a toolkit that is obviously strategic to Oracle, and it is oriented towards productivity. So if it is productive for us, it will be for you. And if you take into account the whole, mobile market, which is becoming more and more important, when you choose ADF on the server side, you are very well equipped, to face the challenges of the mobile landscape as well.
Now, you've got a pretty hectic schedule. You're doing 3 sessions there, so they're going to keep you pretty busy. What sessions do you plan to attend when you're not actually presenting yourself?
Well, the thing is, most of the time I will be at our booth in the demo grounds at the conference when I will not be presenting. But I hope to see at least there was one conference one session that attracted me, that attracted my attention specifically, and it was about ADF module, tuning for ADF in general. So it's a bit, of not obviously a sequel. We didn't work necessarily together, but there's a Nemis guy doing a presentation on the various things you can do in order to improve performance in ADF. So I ensured that we wouldn't have an overlap with him. So the contents are really distinct. So if it fits in my schedule, I didn't check exactly when it was, but I really want to attend that one because they're doing great work. They're in the trenches. Those guys, they have lots of experience with, all sorts of ADF deployments. So I will certainly try to have a look at this session if I can.
So if somebody shows up at the JDeveloper and ADF booth and you're not there, and they know where to find you.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. Well, Frederic, thanks for taking the time to talk to me today. I look forward to seeing you at Kscope.
Yes. Thank you very much, and see you there.